We're Little Shop of Physics. We're a science program based out of Colorado State University up in Fort Collins, Colorado. We have about 87 experiments out today. Every experiment was built by real-life college students like my friends right over here. We want to acknowledge the Halliburton Foundation, which has given us money to come do awesome programs.
Thank you for joining us. We hope that you had fun. I hope all of you found at least one thing that you thought was cool.
This visit and all of our work with Indigenous communities is sponsored by the Halliburton Foundation, and so we have some special Halliburton science presents.
Thank you.
Rainbow glasses.
Thank you.
They work by diffraction and they split lights up into the different rainbow colors.
Color changing pencils. It's red right now, but if you either hold it in your hand or you can rub it and it'll turn into a different color.
These are sunburn beads. So these are meant to actually go out in the sun.
Everybody, thank you all so much for inviting us to your school today. We had a great time.
Thank you.